Welcome to HomeLink training for Harley Davidson motorcycles. In this video, we will cover HomeLink transmitter and control module locations, HomeLink training, special case training, how to activate HomeLink channels, and erasing program channels. Before programming HomeLink, clear the garage door of people and objects, and park your vehicle outside the garage. For more accurate training, use brand new batteries in your handheld remote. Some steps are time sensitive and may need to be tried multiple times, so please review all steps before you begin. On your motorcycle, you will be interacting with the HomeLink transmitter and control module during the training process. You will use the control module to select the channel you would like to program, and your handheld remote should be pointed at the HomeLink transmitter during training. The location of your HomeLink transmitter and control module varies depending on your Harley Davidson model. The HomeLink transmitter and control module for both touring and trike models 2014 and up is located under the left side cover. For Softail models 2018 and up, it's located under the right side cover. For Pan America models 2021 and up, it's located under the seat with the HomeLink transmitter alongside the right frame rail. To begin, press and hold the channel button you would like to train. For this example, we are training channel 1. Hold for 5 seconds until the LED starts blinking slowly, then release. Hold your handheld remote 1 to 3 inches away from the HomeLink transmitter. Press and hold your handheld remote button until the LED on the control module goes from blinking slowly to either solid or flashing rapidly. Test the newly programmed channel by pressing the control module channel button. Repeat this press, hold, and release sequence up to 2 more times. If the garage door is activated at any point during this sequence, the training process is complete. If your garage door did not activate, you just have a few more steps to complete. On your garage door opener in the garage, locate and press the Learn, Smart, or Program button. Within 20 seconds, return to your motorcycle and press and release the control module channel button up to 3 times at 1-second intervals to complete synchronization. HomeLink should now activate your garage door. D mode is only used for a select few garage door openers. Please reference your garage door opener owner's manual or website to confirm you need to use D mode. To begin, select the channel you would like to train by pressing the channel button on the control module 7 times within 3 seconds. Depending on the model of your garage door opener, you will need to press the Learn button on the outside of the garage door opener, or remove the garage door opener cover and press the radio button to select channel 1 on the inside. Press and release the Learn or Radio button. Within 20 seconds, return to your motorcycle and press and release the channel button on the control module. Repeat this press and release sequence up to 2 more times to complete synchronization. HomeLink should now activate your garage door. The 2 buttons on the HomeLink control module are only used during the training process. Once programmed, you should only use the flash to pass button on the handlebar to activate your garage door. A single press activates channel 1, while a double press activates channel 2. To erase a programmed channel, use the following steps. Press and hold both control module buttons for 10 seconds until both LEDs turn on. Release both buttons, then press the channel button you would like to erase. Repeat these steps to erase an additional button.